What's up everyone? Today we're diving into Samsung's next big thing, the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Leaks are heating up and we now have a clear picture of what to expect from powerful new cameras to major AI upgrades. This could be Samsung's smartest and most futuristic phone ever. Let's talk design first. The S26 Ultra is keeping the boxy, note-style frame, but it's getting a sleeker, more refined look. Rumors point to thinner bezels, a more durable titanium frame like the S24 Ultra, and new matte color options, including Titan Gray, Sky Blue, and Forest Green. The phone will also be slightly thinner despite packing more tech. Now for the camera system, and this one's big. Samsung is reportedly equipping the S26 Ultra with a new 200 megapixels main sensor, but with larger pixel size for improved low-light shots. Plus, the periscope telephoto lens is being upgraded to offer up to 6x optical zoom, better quality at mid-range. Under the hood, you're looking at the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, or Gen 3 for Galaxy, depending on region. Samsung may also push a massive RAM upgrade, possibly up to 16GB LPDDR5X, and storage up to 1TB for power users. Battery life? Samsung is expected to improve efficiency, with a 5500 mAh battery, faster 65W wired charging, and reverse wireless charging with a new PowerShare Plus mode to charge wearables and even other phones. Of course, the S Pen is returning, but now with new air gestures and AI text predictions, making it more than just a note tool. There's also Wi-Fi 7, improved ultra-wideband, and new features for DeX users, including wireless multi-window and desktop mirroring. So, when's it launching? Samsung Unpacked is expected in mid-January 2026, with pre-orders going live the same week. Expected global release before the end of January. So that's your early first look at the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra 5G. Massive camera gains, smarter AI, better performance, and a cleaner design. Are you excited about Samsung's 2026 flagship? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the full hands-on review coming soon.